USA-owned and operated plastics company provides customer service the Boedeker way that assists our customers with our courteous, reliable, and knowledgeable Team Boedeker staff. Our Team Boedeker staff has over 1,800 years of combined plastic experience, including over 150 team members with over 50 dedicated to sales and engineering support for our clients. We are proud of our staff and their long-term commitment to Boedeker Plastics, which has allowed us to retain our personnel with very low turnover, providing our customers with a highly skilled technical sales staff and solid long-term relationships for years to come. Many of our Team Boedeker members have over 20 years of experience, and some have over 35 years of experience in plastics with Boedeker. You'll always know who to talk to, and your representative will always know you, your business, and your needs. Customer service the Boedeker way provides our customers with reliable service and eliminates the headaches and supply chain disruptions that come with high turnover of customer service and technical service contacts. Contact us and see how customer service the Boedeker way can help reduce your supply chain headaches with plastic and composite sheets, rods, tubes, CNC machined and injection molded plastic parts.